Give me a choice. I said, Christ, I don't believe in Peter Pan, Frankenstein, or Superman.
Get some speed now. This is a very different feeling from any bike. The closest I can say it feels like when I used to ride a tricycle. I used to really try and pedal fast, and the front wheel keeps moving because you're pushing on the wheel. But that turn was the most challenging turn I've done on a bicycle in a long time. Okay. Coming through. Okay, now I'm going to try and do this and slow down.